The GMT is a highly useful complication that allows for the tracking of multiple time zones simultaneously. Firstly, let's identify the various components of the Seamatic GMT: the GMT Bezel, the GMT Hand, and the home time hands. It is important to note that this watch is an office GMT, which means that the white hands are the home hands, which track your home time zone. The GMT hand, therefore, is your local time zone, which is independently adjusted to the time zone which you are tracking. Here's an example. If we were in London, but we'd like to track the New York time zone, we would set our home time to UK time, 12 PM, which would mean that we'd need to set up our GMT hand to New York time, which would be at 7 AM. This means lining up the GMT hand to the 7 on the GMT bezel. When you change time zone, you simply adjust the GMT hand, which is found at position 2 on the crown, and adjust the GMT hand if wound forwards, and the date if wound backwards. Position 3 allows for the home time hands to be independently adjusted, and position 1 is for manual winding. Rotating the bezel allows for the tracking of a third time zone by adjusting the way that you read the GMT bezel. Let's say you were tracking West Coast time as a third time zone and needed to track moving further 3 hours back. This could be achieved by moving the bezel to align the GMT hand with the desired LA time. Then the New York time could still be read using the GMT hand and the inner 24-hour flange.